students. Now today I am going to discuss an activity of exercise 5.6 and question number 4 is there, in which we have to do one activity. Activity is try to construct triangles using matrix. Some are shown here, and in this it is given, can you make a triangle with 3 matrix? So I have here 1, 2, 3 matrix are there. So I can construct a triangle. Let us see how. So this is how to construct a triangle with the help of 3 matrix. Now of course these matrix are of equal length. So this is known as equilateral triangle. So this is matrix. These are the matrix. 3 matrix are there. By joining this we can get a triangle, and in the triangle 3 sides are equal. That's why this is known as your equilateral triangle. Side number 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 matrix we have used here. In number 2, 4 matrix. So let us see here with 4 matrix. Now here I have 4 matrix with me. This is your let me put them in same direction. Yes, like this. So here I have 4 matrix, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now can I arrange in the form of a triangle? Let's see. So I am joining these in this manner. I can join here. So if I just try to draw a straight line in this manner, so I can get a figure in this way. Now I am not able to join these 2 sides. Look at these 2 sides. Yes. So here I have 4 matrix, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if I am trying to join these, I am not able to join. But if I want to join this will join here. That means there is no triangle. Now it will again represent a line here, of course, line segment you can say. So answer is no, we cannot make a triangle using 4 matrix, because the sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side, which is not possible. Look at this. Now here if I join in this manner, this is not possible. अगर आप करोगे join तो like this, ये ऐसे join होगा. But we have to join from the corner, from the vertices 1, like this. So this is not possible to join these you can say 4 matrix in the form of a triangle. So this is the answer. So we cannot get a triangle when we have 4 matrix here. Now if we have 5 matrix, so let me arrange again. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more is there, 5 here. So let me arrange in the form of a triangle. Let us see, is it possible to construct a triangle? This is your first side, second in this manner. Okay, और थोड़ा सा इसको हम स्ट्रेट फॉर्म करते हैं, स्ट्रेट लाइन में, लाइक दिस. और इन दिस मैनर इफ़ वी जॉइन देम, स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइड शुड बी स्ट्रेट, ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए, माइंड यू. सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. थोड़ा सा इसको हम एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं इन दिस मैनर. सो हेयर इट इज़. सो दिस इज़ अ ट्राइंगल formed by, you can say, 5 line segments भी हैं और 5 matrix of course. So this is a triangle. If I just match them in this form, I can get an isosceles triangle by using 5 matrix. Now let us see, is it possible to construct a triangle with 6 matrix? So okay, I have one more arrangement in this manner. It should be a line. Again, let us join these. So here I have taken 6 matrix. So okay, let me focus on this to join in one line. So here it goes. I think now this is the line. Okay, let me adjust it again. Fine. In this manner we can get a line. So 3 line segments are there, 1, 2, 3. But how many mastics are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if the line mastics are of same length, the triangle formed is known as equilateral triangle. So I hope it is clear to you now. We can construct a triangle with 3 mastics, with 5 mastics, with 6 mastics, but not with the help of 4 mastics. Thank you.